How to get a divorce without court in Riverside County. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. If you're like most of our clients, you're looking for a way to get divorced without going to court. The good news is, in Riverside County, you can complete your entire divorce without ever stepping into a courtroom, as long as your case is amicable and your paperwork is done correctly. Here's how it works. We e-file your petition, summons, and UCCJEA if needed directly with the Riverside Court. Your spouse is served, usually by mail, and both parties exchange financial disclosures, which are required in every case. We then prepare your marital settlement agreement and submit your judgment package electronically. If everything is complete and accurate, the court approves your case, with no hearings or court appearances required. We recently helped a couple in Riverside who were worried about missing work or dealing with court dates. We handled their entire divorce remotely, and their judgment was approved in just a few weeks. They never had to go to court, and the entire process was stress-free. At Divorce 661, we specialize in 100% court-free divorce services. We manage every step from start to finish, so you don't have to deal with paperwork, procedures, or courthouse visits. If you're ready to get a divorce in Riverside County without going to court, visit Divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll take care of everything, so you can move on without the courtroom drama.